Good morning. It's Christmas morning. Merry Christmas from our home to yours. Anyway, I got this beautiful plaque. I've known her since she was 14. She used to babysit my oldest son when he was a baby, and he's 36. So I would say I've known her since almost 37 years ago already. So it says, recipe for an amazing woman. Start with faith and honesty. Mix in pure humility. Add strength of character that rises above the stress of life's surprises. And boy, have we had some surprises this year, right? Yeah. Fold in personality, toss with generosity, pour in love from a heart that's true. Yield one terrific, amazing you. And I just want Teresa to know I feel this very much about her too. And then she got me this little girl friend, it says. And it says, you have blessed my life. And Teresa, you have blessed my life. And I got this beautiful candle from her. And her youngest son, he's 9 years old. And I want to give a shout out to John Boy. Thank you so much for picking out the most amazing candle for me. The smell is so good. I brought it home and my husband smelled it and he said, it smells good enough to eat. So it's a very good smell. It's called Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. So I haven't been on for 3 months and I just wanted to answer some of the questions that I've been asked, or at least one of them. And that is, what does a plant-based family eat on Christmas, on Thanksgiving, that kind of stuff. And on Thanksgiving Day, I did show you what we ate. So I thought I would bring to you what we're going to eat today for Christmas. Okay, at first I wasn't going to get out my Christmas wear. Wasn't going to even bother with it because it's just my husband and my daughter and myself this year. And I thought, you know what? I fill this thing up every year. I fill up all my other Christmas plates with different decorations and stuff. And I said, even though we are all alone this year, which is really new for us, we are going to have Christmas. And so this is what I'm going to just show you real quick here. I usually take and put olives in one of them, green olives in one. So you always want to make sure that you clean off the top of your cans before you open them. Some whole sweet pickles. So then I just kind of lay them in here like so. Then I have some dill. Take and put whole berry cranberries in the middle gel. And I buy the whole berry. One, my family likes whole berries better, but also, if you can see this on there, which I hope you can see the berries on top. On a plant-based diet, we eat a lot of winter squashes in the wintertime and summer squashes in the summertime. And then, like, I will take and freeze zucchini and yellow squashes from my garden to get us through till the winter squashes come up. And we love the butternut squash. But this is what it will look like when it's finished. And so then you got this little hole here that you could take and fill with stuffing and warm it up, because these are cooked already, and warm it up and put it in the middle of your table. And it's just a really neat bowl, because when you get out some stuffing, you also get out some butternut squash. And so that kind of cuts down the calories a little bit of your stuffing. Okay, then we have some steamer sweet potatoes. They go right in the microwave. We just cook them. And then I have some baby golds and baby reds. And we cook those up. Now you can do potatoes. You can take and peel your potatoes. You can take and leave the skins on, wash them real good. Put them in a pot, make mashed potatoes if you want. I'm just showing you what we're having today. We don't always have this on Christmas, but we always do have some kind of potato our sweet potato, our squashes at Christmas time. Okay. Then these are our whole cranberries that there's no sugar, nothing added. They're just regular cranberries. I rinse these and I put them in the microwave for about a minute just to get them soft. And then my husband really loves these with his mashed potatoes. So he'll just put scoops next to his mashed potatoes and eat them. It gives the mashed potatoes like a bite to it. For the mashed potatoes this year, we're going to have salsas on the table, and I'm not going to do a gravy this year, but we're going to have green beans and corn. For my potatoes and for my vegetables this year, I guess my meat replacement this year, I'm going to do baked beans. So I got the vegetarian baked beans, fat-free bushes, and I'm going to drain these Italian style beans, and I'm going to pour this over top of it, and that's going to go over my baked potato. And that's going to be my protein, my meat that I want. I also went ahead and picked up some yams, and of course our corn. I got this cubed herbs and spice stuffing from Walmart. I found this at Walmart, and I picked up me some vegetable broth. And so what I'll do this year is I'll take some celery and some onion, and I'll cut it up, and I'll you know, get it cooked all the way through, and then I'll put this in there and get it nice and hot, pour it over my stuffing, and then put it in to bake for about probably 40 minutes in the oven at 350. For my husband and my youngest daughter, she's 22 years old. She's also the person that takes care of all my editing and puts me on her channel with her. I picked up these Always Vegan. Now you can get this in the frozen section at Walmart. Be careful which ones you pick out, because some of them are just meat, that they'll say meatless, but there's also dairy in them. There could be egg whites. We don't eat that on a plant-based diet, but this is Always Vegan. So there's no egg whites, there's no dairy, there's no meat. And so they're gonna have these 7-grain crispy tenders. Today I'm gonna also cook up some French fries for them, so they can have both. They can have potatoes and fries. Okay, so what did I leave out, people? You have your mashed potatoes. You have something to go on your mashed potatoes, which you probably like gravies. We're not real crazy about gravies, so it doesn't matter to us if we have that or not. And you probably have sweet potatoes, and maybe you'll have some stuffing, and maybe turkey or chicken or some kind of meat like that. And but I think I covered the bases here. We have our squashes, our potatoes, our sweet potatoes, our yams, our corn, our baked beans, our green beans, our chicken, well, chicken replacement, and our stuffing. And so I got it pretty well covered for the main meal. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.